I am here, headed to Costco, do a little Costco run, and I thought I'd take you along with me. No, I'm really. There's only one box of these left. I have no idea how much it is, but I was getting these for a while. Really helpful, easy meal with all clean ingredients. I'm also going to get these teriyaki pineapple chicken meatballs. This is a good option of lower fat, higher protein. And again, all clean ingredients. I am somebody that never shreds my own Parmesan, and I probably could, but I don't. So it is time to get some more Parmesan. Really makes the food tasty. Throw it on chicken, beef, in salads. It's an easy way to get in some more protein and fat. This sliced grass-fed beef sirloin is a really good option if you are on the rush. I personally don't get it because of the price, and I never am in a rush that much that I need it. But one of the things we normally get, however, we have enough at home, is the sauerkraut. Really good probiotic, prebiotic, helps feed the good bacteria in your gut to have a healthy microbiome. And you don't need much each day. Teaspoon each day, throw it in your meal, and there you go. Good price too. This is one that they don't have all the time, but the price is killer. It's organic chicken bone broth and only 3 ingredients. So this is a really, if you want to bump up the protein without any fat or carbs, this is a really healthy option. Seeing how it's apple season, I'm getting some Honeycrisp apples. These are the ones my husband likes. I'll probably have some here and there as well. When it comes to the fruit, I always make sure the dirty dozen I'm getting organic. Otherwise, I won't get them and I'll get them somewhere else. These are the ones I get for the kiddos because they're smaller and easier for kids to hold, and they're not piling down a bunch of apples at once. Normally our beef comes from a half cow that we buy locally, but we have just ran out and our new half cow comes in November. So for now, I'm gonna come over here and load up our meat. So this one, 88, 12% fat, $5.49 a pound. This one is organic, $6.25 a pound. For me, I'm just gonna go with this one because it's already pre-packaged and it's really not that much more per pound. So I'm gonna get a few of these. Our Costco started selling Wagyu also. Personally, too much fat for me, but ground bison, I would be very curious to try this if I wasn't buying so much already today. Pork loin is another really easy leaner cut that you can incorporate if you're trying to bring down the fat. No rhyme or reason as to which one to pick, so I'm picking this one. I'm actually really proud of myself because I have not touched any of the samples that I've gone by, considering all the samples are the stuff that just aren't good for you. I love their mushrooms, and it's a really good price here. You can get this huge thing of organic mushrooms for just $4.59, pound and a half. I have been loving Spindrift, and I have some at home, but I've never seen this flavor. So I am going to get this one. The reason I love Spindrift, let's see if I can lift it up, is there's no natural flavors. They use the actual fruit. And I mean, for 2 grams of carbs, not that I am worried about carbs anymore, but for those of you that are, this is a really good option where you're getting the real stuff, not just flavoring. Walking through the vegetable and fruit aisle, the frozen one, we get lots of stuff from here. We still have a lot of frozen fruit and some frozen veggies, but this is one we ran out of. Very easy. Vegetables. Is it organic? No. But to me, I feel like as long as you do the best you can in most areas, an occasional non-organic is fine. Sometimes if I want to have like a little sweet treat, here's one of the things we get. The fudge bars, low in calories. They're not the best ingredients, but I don't have these very often, but the kids do, and they're a good option. When I say they're not the best ingredients, it's mainly the guar gum that can be a gut disruptor. But again, I am a person that is an 80-20 rule follower. So 80% of the time, I'm on point. 20% of the time, my body can handle it, or my kid's body. All right, they have A2 whole milk Greek yogurt. Well, it's not Greek actually, it's just whole milk yogurt. But we either get this or we get the Kirkland Greek yogurt. So today I'm gonna get this one. We also got some frozen chicken breasts, another easy lean source of protein. I just grabbed half and half, and now I'm grabbing milk for the boys. Organic whole milk, A2. Again, not bad price at all. Incorporating more egg whites. So gonna get some of those. This won't expire till January, so that'll last a while. I was gonna go up and down the aisles searching. However, I didn't realize what time it is and I gotta go pick up the boys very, very soon. We use these a lot, the wild caught pink salmon, and they're on sale, $5 off. So I'm gonna grab a handful of these, however many. Limit is 6. I'll probably just grab 3. The other one is the sun-dried figs. I have been loving these lately and they just hit the spot. My mom, everybody. So I'm gonna grab a couple bags because they tend to go fast. I'm totally late to go pick up the little guy from school. Oh my goodness, I'm never late.
Any boxes?
Yes please.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Thank you, you too. All right, it was more than I thought, but I did get some clothing, some tissue paper, and yeah, the beef is definitely more than I usually get here. Thanks for coming to Costco with me. Just remember, I am not strict keto carnivore. I am a whole food balanced person, I guess you could say. So you gotta learn to take it or leave it. If something doesn't work for you, that's totally fine. Don't buy it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed.